left Watrous and headed south towards Moosejaw. It was a very windy day which made it challenging to bike, but it was very beautiful. I visited my friend in Moosejaw and drove into Regina with him the next day during his work to check out the city. One of the back arms of my rack broke, so I went to Home Depot to buy some parts. I found a nice place by some Canada geese in this park and then started fixing my bike. I also did a quick tune-up on the rest of the bike. I went to the Royal Saskatchewan Museum, which has the world's largest T-Rex and other cool things. In the evening, me and my friend went and watched a football game. It was a lot of fun. The next day I biked around Moosejaw and checked out the Moosejaw tunnels, which were used to smuggle alcohol during the Prohibition era. Very cool. I then visited my friend and his family in Regina.
We're on the golf cart!
We went out for ribs and ate 3 racks of ribs each. We had a great time visiting. I met a guy cycling across Canada the other direction. Very cool. Well, it's day 37. We just survived our first severe thunderstorms all night. Kind of crazy, lots of fun. My back tire had pretty thoroughly worn out, so I replaced it. Next I went to Camp Hughes near Carberry, Manitoba. They dug makeshift trenches in World War I to train troops before sending them across to Europe. Amazingly, the trenches are still here, although they're a bit overgrown, and you can just go and walk through them. That night another severe thunderstorm rolled in. It was beautiful to see. When I got to Winnipeg, I visited my friend Liam, who I hadn't seen in 5 years. We went to the zoo and caught up. I then visited my friend Max's parents and we went around Winnipeg together.